we have gale force winds coming in from the southwest.
It feels like pins and needles. The sand on my face.
Yes. I'm having to actually hold my hat right now. We definitely feel the wind picking up. I tried lighting a cigarette earlier, and it took about 3 fingers to block the wind to light the cigarette. And surely later on the light meter, well, we might actually have to use our whole hand cup to light the cigarette.
Back to the folks at home, the most important thing is not to lose the cherry on the cigarette. Ignite on gas flame burners if necessary, but do not lose the flame on your cigarette.
Yes, we have some shelters around. Hopefully when you were purchasing your batteries and your flashlights, you made sure to pick up on extra cigarettes and beer. It's going to be a long night at home, folks.
Thank you, Charley.
Today. This is actually normal for a normal Floridian.
For all of you at home, important announcement, Frank wet his bed yesterday.
Yeah, I wet my bed. Oh, that thing blew. Hey, dog, turn the TV on.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna get...
Why? Why are you getting scared?
Frank, give me the flashlight.
What? Dude, I'm watching out front.
The light's dripping water. No, I'm saying the light. There's no flashlight on. Yeah, the light's not working.
Check the pool, Dave. What's our high level?
Bad.
Does you like to kneel? Does you like to pay? Does you like to steal? Does you ever feel a little more like me? Can't you walk away? You better walk away. You need to be like me. 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 Yeah. Does you like to walk? Does you like to stay? Does you like to talk? Does she like to say hey? Could you ever feel a little more like me? Can you walk away? You better walk away. You need to be like me. You need to be like me. You need to be like me. You need to be like me.
get your best. Never get discouraged. Never be happy. Always remember, others may hate you. Those who hate you don't win. Unless you forgive them. Then you struggle. Others may hate you. Others may hate you. Those who hate you don't win. Those who hate you don't win.